Hey guys, welcome to episode 5. So in case you're wondering why episode 4.3 isn't out yet, it's because I'm waiting on the materials to show up still. So that's kind of paused for now. And also, I had a buddy come over and we were chit-chatting and he made me an offer on the 180SX shell that I couldn't refuse. So I'm gonna start pulling the engine out and get all the parts off of it that I wanna keep. It's definitely a win-win situation because it puts a little bit of extra cash in my pocket, gives me more room in the garage to work on this thing, and also helps him finish his little project. So yeah, I'm gonna get to pulling all this stuff out now. Yeah, so not too bad for a few hours work. Everything came out pretty smoothly, no issues. So now it's just a little bit of a waiting game until Saturday when my buddy comes and picks this thing up. He's driving down from Bernie with a flatbed. We're gonna put some wheels on it and some other things to make it roll, and we're gonna get this thing out of here. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to be able to drop this in the hard body in no time. So yeah, cool. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.